Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Face Serum for blackheads and whiteheads. 30 ml is the quantity, 549 rupees is the price. Available on Nykaa, Myntra and on their website too. Made in India product. It targets acne, blackheads, whiteheads, open pores, oiliness, suitable for oily, acne prone skin and almost all skin types, including the combination skin. It is free from fragrance, silicons, sulfates, parabens, dyes, essential oils, dermatologically tested. pH range is between 3.2 to 4. Always do the patch test first before trying any exfoliating serum. And how to use: apply once, preferable in the PM, that is in the night. Gently pat it. Apply once, preferable in the nighttime. Gently pat 2 drops into the face and neck after cleansing. Allow 1 to 2 minutes before layering with moisturizer. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. I had exhausted the whole bottle. It never tingled. It suits me well, but didn't see much results. Just the watery serum, quite thick consistency. Liquidy gel like little bit, not that gel. Provided little bit hydration. Yes, it suppressed the active acne or pimples, but didn't remove it totally. Calms down the irritation. Good for bumpy and textured skin, but on my notes where the mostly whitehead occurs, it didn't work there. Very basic serum. For beginners, it can be the good option as it is very mild formulation. And will I buy this? No, I will not buy this again because I need quite strong formulation. And yes, this one cost me too much according to the results. Results are very slow. You have to be consistent. Hope the video is helpful. Always do the patch test first. And thanks for taking care of your skin. If you have also tried this product, then you can share your review in the comment section.